Hello everybody, this is John Cleese with Lake Effect Garden and Design, and this is our first video of the new season in 2024, and we thought we would come back to one of the properties that we first put in last year with thousands of plugs. It is third week of May, so we're almost coming up on a full year with this. Now we've had a relatively warm and wonderfully wet spring here in West Michigan, so things are really a little bit ahead of schedule, but they're doing really quite well. I wanted to point out a couple of plants to you to show you, again, what a plant looks like just in the second year of growth. And this is Rosinweed. We've showed you many times in the gardens how big and tall this gets, but look at this. This is just 1 year of growth with the Rosinweed that we put in a plug. Here you have some purple coneflower that's getting started, which is looking really nice. And then my favorite, of course, everybody's favorite, it should be everybody's favorite, is Prairie Dock. And Prairie Dock, it's already doing a marvelous thing by just looking, as you can see across the little meadow we planted, all of the big leaves that are coming in. And this just gets bigger and bigger. These leaves will get huge and it'll shoot up these big tall stems 8 feet high, and there'll be little yellow flowers on the top. But Prairie Dock is absolutely one of my favorites, no doubt about it. But we wanted to show you year two, and next to this video I'm sure we posted showing you what this looked like when we first put it in. And again, the only thing we did, no fertilizer. All we did was put in about 2 inches of mulch to make sure that the weeding was kept at bay. The homeowner's done a very good job. I wouldn't say she's reported it being too hard to keep the weeds out, but you can't really do more than 2 inches of mulch, because when you're first putting in the plugs, 3 inches will really cover it up. So about 2 inches. It's kept it mostly weed free, and we are super excited. This is going to be a great garden. So I hope you'll check back in. I hope you'll like these videos. Go to the website. We've got lots of stuff posted there. And again, if you're starting a new meadow from plug, this is what year two could look like.